Hey guys, it's Jason again. So we're going to have another little fun giveaway real quick. This is from CKPSMS. It's one of my favorite sellers on Amazon for industrial sewing machine parts, bobbins, bobbin cases, feet, you name it, they've got it. And they're one of my favorite sellers, and everything that they sell comes in a little plastic case. Even if it's I've got some parts up here, I buy my needles from them, and they come in a little plastic case. Everything comes in a plastic box, which is really cool. So today we're going to give away, this is a 25-piece set of industrial sewing machine feet. And I know a lot of you got turned on to my channel because of the Vevor M2 sewing machine, or the JD Bow, or even this, the Iconics, you know, all my different machines that I have. If you have a machine that can use a high shank foot, we're going to give this away. Now, what I did was, this is the same set I use. I went to Harbor Freight and I bought one of these little organizer boxes. This is the medium size. It's part number 56577 from Harbor Freight. But here I keep all of my feet. And, you know, if yours uses a foot like this, it's called a high shank foot. This set comes with literally everything you need. Oh my gosh. So you can see all my Teflon feet in here. I've got, it comes with 4 different Teflon feet. It's got compensating feet. Look, it's got rolled hem. It's got rolled hem feet in 3 different sizes. It's got compensating feet. It's got piping feet. It's got 4 different sizes of piping feet. It's got this little guy here with rollers. I think it's called a roller foot. It's the R141. And it also has just your basic P35, you know, your standard foot that usually comes with your machine. But if you're wanting to play around and get into, oh look, it's got the left and right zipper feet. It's awesome. So if you're wanting to expand your capabilities on your machine and you're looking for some different things to do, this set has everything that you need. And again, I just went to Harbor Freight and I bought one of these little, it's the medium size organizer box, and it's got little dividers that you can put in there. But this is it, guys. This is the 25-piece industrial sewing machine foot set. You open up this box and each foot is in a little individual bag. I mean, it'll take you all night to sit there and open them all up and play with them and see what they are and get them organized and everything like that. So it's like 25 little presents inside one big present. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the same as we did before, but we're only going to do a week. So this is Thursday, so it'll be next Thursday, June 4th. That's 1 week. We're not going to do the month. We're going to do week. 1 week, we're going to do the drawing like we did for the sewing machine. And we're going to give this away to one lucky winner. And again, like last time, all you have to do is hit that like button, the little thumbs up, and subscribe and leave a comment that says liked and subscribed. Because you saw the last contest, that's what the little random picker looks for, is a comment that says liked and subscribed. And it's going to check to make sure you liked and that you subscribed. So look, This is an awesome set. It's 25 different industrial sewing machine feet. If you have the high shank foot, which is like the Vevor M2, the Yamadas, the Jukis, the Juki 8500, 8700, the 8000, 9000, not the Iconics, because that's a walking foot. That's a little different machine, but you know what I'm talking about. You know if you have high shank machine or not. But they will fit, they will definitely fit the Vevor M2 industrial sewing machine, which is, I know, which is why a lot of you got turned on to my channel, is because of the Vevor machines. But this, all of these will fit that machine. So good luck. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, leave a comment that says liked and subscribed, and we will do the drawing on June 4th. That's next Thursday, and this will be in the mail to you. Good luck and have a great weekend.